Being scared is normal. All of you guys Mr. Abnormal. Forget me, but instead came to five enemies.
Spoiler.
Don't trust that fuck the daily bugle, but you can trust the people to know what's up. Hello, it's me, Spiderman. Everything I love is gone. Don't know my babe auntie or uncle Peter once said. Peter tree man. So who is a Peter tree? In the end, what is it? There's always a way. Someone can get up to that. He said how that. Yeah. She what's up? Call to me. 1, 2, 3. Spiderman. Spiderman been the roof, swing by web and a safe New York. Somebody know me Peter, but you can call me Spiderman. Yeah. 1, 3 Spiderman. Being scared is normal. All of you guys Mr. Abnormal. Forget me, but instead came to five enemies.
Spoiler.
Don't trust that fuck the daily bugle, but you can trust the Peter tingle. What's up? Hello, it's me, Spiderman. Everything I love is gone. Don't know my babe auntie or uncle Peter once said. Peter tree man. So who is a Peter tree? In the end, what is it? Someone